The domain name system, or DNS, is the magic that allows us to search the internet using our words instead of long, hard-to-remember numbers. I'm Darlene, this is Netta, and we're going to explain what DNS is and how it works.
Computers on the internet talk to each other using strings of numbers known as Internet Protocol, or IP addresses. IP addresses identify where a computer is located and helps guide information traveling between computers.
While it's easy for computers to communicate using IP addresses, if you're human like us, memorizing a long strand of numbers for every single site you want to visit is probably not realistic.
This is where DNS comes into play. Every domain name on the internet relies on DNS to help people find a website and receive their email.
Think of your domain name as the street address for your house and DNS as GPS. If the GPS device doesn't have the correct directions to your street address, then people won't be able to find your house.
In other words, if your DNS is set up incorrectly, then your visitors won't be able to find your site, and you won't be able to get your email.
Take websites, for example. When you enter the domain name into the browser's address bar, your computer looks for the IP address of that website so it can load it for you. That's DNS in action.
And that's our super simplified explanation of how DNS works. I'm Netta, that's Darlene, and we'll catch you later.